everyone, welcome to my first ever video for YouTube. So this is our powder room and this is the current situation. It's absolutely grim. I hate it. It's a very dark space, so I want to incorporate dark colours to make it look like it was deliberate. This is a vanity area. The sink is so small, the storage is so small, so I want to make everything much bigger and fancier. So here are some images I was inspired by, mainly because of the pattern tiles, the brass detail and the wood tones incorporated into the design. So I went shopping and this is what I initially thought I wanted. The pattern tiles, a dark grey cabinet, and then some rustic wall tiles which look quite natural, and then two handle options, which is a brass one and a black one. And then for the fixtures I went for antique brass, a light fitting above, but everything will change as you can see. And then I can start painting. So I've got an amazing package today from French Chic, and it's in the colour Blackjack. I'm so excited. So this is a gorgeous colour. You can't see it in this lighting very well, but it applies very nicely. One layer does so much and has so much impact. As you can see here, it's quite water based, but it looks lovely. This is the first coat that I've applied. It doesn't matter that the painting's a bit rough and it's got holes, because I'll be adding panels on top like so. So this is the first day the builders arrived, and they did so much work on the first day, oh my god. So the first thing they did was remove the wall, because we've decided to add a sliding door instead of a normal door, because everyone that was walking past the hallway was getting knocked about and that wasn't great. And then the next thing that they did was do all the pipe work and add the brass taps in, which looks gorgeous, I must say. And the final thing they did on that day was add the lighting. So they added the sockets on top and the spotlights as well. This is day 2 now, and on this day they've added the flooring, which we've gone for a wood rustic vibe in there, and they've also added the cistern for the floating toilet to be fitted the next day. This is the third day now, and they've installed the sliding door. As you can see here, it looks so much better, and the hallway looks so much bigger as well. Whilst they were getting on with that, we decided to create our own vanity table, and we did this because we couldn't find any we liked, and we used the DIY steps from Angela Marie Made on YouTube. I'm going to speed it up so you can see the rest of it here. So it's been a few days and this is not the colour I wanted. It looks orange, so I'm going to lime wax it. Okay, I bloody hate it. What the hell have I done? I've wiped it off and I don't know why mine is looking really crazy. I'm gonna add this wax back on and then see how it looks, because this looks horrendous. So we had to make a slight change to the plans. We've added paneling at the back of the sink just to make it look flush, so I had to repaint that again, as you can see here. I was trying out this wallpaper to see how it looks in there. I didn't like it, and we ended up picking this white tree one, and it looked amazing. Sorry I didn't get any footage in that on. You guys are going to hate me. I've changed my mind again. I hated the wood tone, and I've painted it this dark grey colour, and I think it looks so much better in this space. After living with this bathroom for a few weeks, I just feel like something's missing, and I think it's this ceiling. I think it needs to be painted black for a much more bigger impact. So this is how it looks now with the black ceiling. I love it. I absolutely love it. So after plastering all of this, I've just sanded it down. Sorry, I forgot to record it. It's a bit rough in some places. This is my first time doing it, So I'm hoping once it's painted, it doesn't look too crazy. So I've got this gorgeous colour winter grey, which I've painted this sideboard with, and I think I'm going to paint the top. I love this colour on here, but it's a bit too warm for this space, as you can tell. This one here matches the wallpaper exactly, if you can tell here. So this is it, guys. I'm not changing my mind, I promise. I love how it's looking so far. It looks so glamorous, so sophisticated. The wallpaper, the black, the moodiness, I absolutely love it. And now it's on to the best part of the whole process, which is decorating and styling. So thank you for sticking around. Oh, far too small. Let's try the other side. That looks much better. Hope you're ready, guys, for the reveal, because we worked so hard on it. So if you remember how it looked before, it was very small, dingy, and then we'll move on to the transition for the after. Hope you subscribe, like and comment. Love you guys. Bye.